So Grey Goose came out with a new line of flavors. They are called the Grey Goose Essences. We're gonna be trying them out today.
The flavors that they came out with are the strawberry lemongrass, the watermelon and basil, and the white peach and rosemary. If you guys wanna taste these Grey Goose Essences flavors at home, go check them out at bottlerover.com.
They will deliver all of them to your door.
I've always been a really big fan of Grey Goose flavors, and this new line, I already know it's gonna be good.
Honestly, they're so good. Like the pear, the citron. I make lemon drops with those like literally every day. If you don't make them with that, try it out. It's delicious.
So let's start with the one that we've already cracked open. This is the strawberry and lemongrass. I can already smell it, and it smells amazing.
It smells like a dessert. The strawberry's strong in here.
You know what it reminds me of?
What?
Do you remember the Pez candies? They come in like a little toy, and then the toy has a little head at the top, and then you pop it,
Yes.
and then the candies come out.
Yes.
That's what this tastes like.
Like candy. Yeah, it's so good.
What would you mix this with?
I think it's very strawberry forward. I would mix this with lemonade.
We already made a strawberry lemonade with this, and it came out bomb.
You don't even have to use strawberries. Like the strawberry in this vodka is strawberry enough. Just literally lemonade. That's all you need to mix. That's it. Delicious.
Very good. On to the next flavor.
Ooh.
This watermelon is like so strong.
I want to smell like this.
This could be a nice perfume.
Right?
It's good.
Yeah.
You definitely get the watermelon and the basil like right away when you take a sip. Now I'm really starting to smell the basil.
I absolutely love basil in drinks. It's probably one of my favorite greens that you can throw in a drink. It always goes good with everything, like vodka, gin, tequila.
But especially watermelon and basil together,
A marriage.
the perfect duo. Watermelon, basil, bing, bang, boom.
What would you mix it with?
Maybe like a gimlet, just some lime juice, and it would be good.
Delicious.
I might even like make a popsicle out of this. Is that crazy?
Yeah. Oh my God. For summer,
A watermelon popsicle, eat that by the pool with this in
with
there.
some watermelon chunks in there.
Ooh. That would be bomb.
Ooh, we're getting so many content ideas right now. Thank you, Grey Goose. Delicious. Okay, white peach and rosemary. I'm most excited for this one.
It smells so good. Peach is coming in hot.
It smells like a creamsicle to me. Like
What?
Like a creamsicle, like an ice cream.
Don't smell like no creamsicle. It smells herbaceous. You definitely smell the rosemary. The peach comes first, and then the rosemary follows.
The peach comes in strong.
Okay, let's taste it.
I've been tasting it.
Okay, I'm gonna taste it now.
Delicious.
It tastes healthy. You taste the peach, you taste the rosemary.
This
I
one's
feel
not
like-
as sweet as the other two. It's from like a good martini.
Ooh, yes, a martini. With a rosemary torched garnish in there.
Yes. I would also do a Moscow Mule with this. I think it would be really
Ooh,
bomb.
yeah.
Yeah.
This is even giving me like fall and winter vibes.
Yeah.
This might be good to have at like Thanksgiving dinner.
Yes.
Serve some martinis with this in it.
Say where? I'm there. I love it. Which one's your favorite? I feel like
That's hard.
I like the peach. I'm gonna say that. That's my favorite. It's delicious.
I'm gonna have to go with the peach rosemary as well as my favorite.
Cheers to that.
So good.
That peach. I just want to create now. Let's create. Let's get to work. Let's go to the kitchen.
Right? I'm feeling hella
Inspired.
inspired.